Imagine this. You spend hours choosing the perfect ads, but your affiliate earnings? Barely enough for a cup of coffee. Frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a way to fix that? Most affiliate marketers waste time manually rotating ads, trying to figure out what works. You're missing out on potential commissions because you're doing everything manually and picking low-converting products. But here's the game changer. Affiliate Ad Rotator. It automates the entire process for you. No more endless searching or tweaking ads. Simply enter your ClickBank ID, choose your niche, and watch as it rotates the top converting ads, all on autopilot. Let me show you how simple it is. Step 1. Select your category: health, fitness, finance, whatever niche you're in. Step 2. Add your ClickBank ID. Step 3. Customize the look and feel of your ads. Done. Your affiliate ads will now rotate with the highest converting products, increasing your chances of earning more. Here's the best part. Affiliate Ad Rotator users are seeing massive results. Their earnings have doubled or even tripled by using this simple tool. These ads convert like crazy because they're always fresh and targeted. Just look at this success story. And that's not all. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll show you exactly how to get started in just 5 minutes. Ready to jump in? Here's how. First, sign up through the link below. Once you're inside the members area, it's as easy as selecting the best ads for your site. Then, simply generate the code and paste it into your website. Done. You've just automated your affiliate income in minutes. So, what are you waiting for? Start making passive income today with Affiliate Ad Rotator. It's risk-free with a 30-day guarantee. Click the link below to get instant access and finally see the results you've been working so hard for. Let's make that income work for you on autopilot.